next let us go with the multiplication and division of the fractions. So first multiplication of fractions. So while you are multiplying the fractions, what the scenario is going to be? So for example, let us take any two fractions a by b by c by d. Denominator should not be 0, c not equal to 0, d not equal to 0. So then we can write this as a into c by b into d. That means whenever we are multiplying the fractions, multiply the numerators by multiply the denominators. So let us take 3 by 2 is one fraction and other fraction 6 by 9 you take. So while you are taking or you are multiplying, how we have to take 3 by 6 into 2 by 9. So here what we have to do? So 3 ones are 3 3s are 2 ones are 2 2s are. What you will get? 3 ones are 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 will be what? 1. Simple fraction. Actually here only we can cancel. So otherwise the simplified form of this one is what? Indirectly 3 2s are 3 1s are. So 2 2 cancel, 3 3 cancel. Like that also we can do. So one more example you take. Some 11 by 12 into some 48 by 33. So how can I write this one? Tell me. So here 11 into 48 divided by 12 into 33. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. 11 ones are 11 threes are 12 ones are 12 fours are 4 ones are 4 3 ones are 3. 4 by 3 will be the required value of the fraction. First we will discuss some questions on this also. But basic concept next, division of a fraction. Division. So in the division of the fractions, what we are going to do is, for example, a by b is one fraction and c by d is other fraction. If you are dividing a by b and c by d, so this fraction will become into d by c. Division by a number is multiplication by its reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? So a, for example, p by q is one fraction. The reciprocal fraction of p by q is what? Q by p. That means interchange numerator to denominator and vice versa. Division, while you are dividing, division changes to multiplication. Now it will become a into d by b into c. Same way. So I am talking 3 by 2 divided by some 6 by 4 or 6 by otherwise 6. Let us take any value. Some 6 by 7 you take. How can I write? 3 by 2 into division by a number is multiplication by its reciprocal. That is 3 into 7 by 2 into 6. That is the reason we can answer like this also. See, 3 ones are 3 twos are. It will become 7 by 2 twos are 4. So this is about fraction simplification. How we are going to do when you are multiplying, multiply the numerators by multiply the denominators. But when we are dividing, division by a number is multiplication by its reciprocal. So that means division by a number is multiplication by the reciprocal. That means multiply the numerators, so take the reciprocal and multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So this is about the fractions multiplication. So now let us go with some example questions. Product of one question, 3 2 by 5 into 3 whole for 5 whole 1 by 4. So what we have to take? 2 by 5 into 5 for the 20 plus 1 21 by 4. Now what it will become? See here, this is a mixed fraction. 5 for the 20 plus 1 21 by 4. Next one it will become, next step, 2 into 21 by 5 into 4. What you will get now? 2 ones are 2 twos are. This will be 21 by 2 5s are 10. 21 by 10 you will get. So next step, let us go with one more example. So here next question is going to be simple question. So 3 whole 1 by 2 of some 8 by 3. So half means what? Multiplication only. 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. See, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, half 8 by 3. 7 by 2, half means what? Into 8 by 3. Multiply the numerator, 7 by 8, 7 into 8 by 2 into 3. What do you get now? 2 1s are 2 4s are 7 4s are 28, 28 by 3. So like that we are going to do the multiplication of the division multiplication of the fractions. Now let us go with one more example. Like, how can I take this? 3 whole 1 by 2 divided by 3 whole 1 by 2 divided by some 7, otherwise 14 by 3 plus 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 4 divided by 7 by 6. Let us take like this. So to simplify this one, what we have to do is, actually as per the BODMAS rule, what we have to take? Bracket of division multiplication. So bracket not there, of not there, first we have to do this division. So first convert this into mix. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 divided by 14 by 3 plus 3 by 4 divided by 7 by 6. 7 by 2 into division by a number is multiplication by its reciprocal, plus 3 by 4 into division by a number is multiplication by its reciprocal. How can I write? 7 1s are 7 2s are. So multiply the numerators. 3 1s are 3 by 2 2s are 4 plus 3 6s are, otherwise 2 2s are, we can multiply directly. See, easily multiply the numerators by multiply it down. 2 2s are 2 3s are. What do you get? 3 3s are 9, 2 7s are 14. Now what is the LCM here? 4 comma 14 LCM. Otherwise you can cross out 2 2s are 2 7s are. 2 7 are the co-primes not having common factor. LCM is 2 into 2 into 7. 2 to the 7, 7 4 the 28. LCM is 28. So take the 3 numerator, 2 to the 4 you can close, you will get 7 plus 9 you take, what we have the denominator? 14. 2 7 the 14 you can close, you will get 2. So 7 3 is 21, 2 9 is 18 divided by 28. So 21 plus 18 is what? 19 39. 39 divided by 28. This is all about how we are going to do this. Once again, here division by a number is multiplication by the reciprocal. Here also division by a number is multiplication by the reciprocal. After that we have to do the LCM. So as per the LCM. So here this step I am explaining again. Close 4, 2 to the 4. Take the numerator 3 and multiply with 7. Plus 9 you have to take. 2 7 the 14 you have to close. 2 you will get. 3 7 the 21, 9 to the 18. 39 by 28 will be the required answer.